AirPods switching between devices is usually due to Apple's seamless switching feature, designed for convenience, but often causing frustration. It uses Bluetooth and your iCloud account to connect to the nearest, most active Apple device within range. This prioritizes the last used device. Common culprits include Bluetooth interference, software glitches, and having multiple paired devices. The Smart Handoff feature attempts to predict which device you want to use, but can often get it wrong. Apple's proprietary seamless switching feature works through iCloud and Bluetooth Low Energy integration. AirPods detect proximity using built-in accelerometers and microphones, automatically connecting to the nearest Apple device within 10 to 30 meters. The system prioritizes the last used device through the handoff protocol. The good news is that the iOS 19.3 update, released in late 2025, introduced smart handoff enhancements. This allows you to lock your AirPods to a single device, preventing those unwanted switches. To lock your AirPods to a specific iOS device using the Smart Handoff feature, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the Settings icon to open the app, then scroll down and select Bluetooth from the menu. In the Bluetooth menu, look for your AirPods in the list of connected devices. Tap the small eye information icon next to your AirPods name to access their settings. Look for the Device Priority toggle in the AirPods settings. This option helps prevent automatic switching. Enable the Device Priority toggle. This will lock your AirPods to the current device and prevent automatic switching to other paired devices. If the Device Priority toggle doesn't appear, ensure your device is running iOS version 19.3 or later, as this feature was introduced in that update. Bluetooth interference from other devices, like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other Bluetooth devices, can trigger unwanted switching between your AirPods and paired devices. Common sources of interference include Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other Bluetooth devices nearby. When interference is present, your Bluetooth signal strength becomes unstable, causing the AirPods to switch devices unexpectedly. To fix this, try moving away from potential sources of interference. Ensure your AirPods and connected devices have a strong, stable Bluetooth connection by positioning them closer together. Sometimes, simply turning Bluetooth off and back on can help reestablish a cleaner connection. These steps can help minimize interference and keep your AirPods connected to the device you want. AirPods can remember up to 10 paired devices simultaneously. This can cause confusion as they may switch to the most active device automatically. To manage this, disconnect from devices you're not actively using. You can also forget this device in Bluetooth settings to reduce confusion. For devices you only use occasionally, manually connecting when needed and disconnecting afterward is a good practice. While the Smart Handoff fix is designed for iOS devices, users on Android and Windows can still manage AirPods switching. Let's look at solutions for these platforms. On Android devices, open your Bluetooth settings and disable the Auto Connect option for each paired device. This prevents AirPods from automatically switching to nearby devices. On Windows computers, manually disconnect your AirPods from the Bluetooth settings when you're not using them. This ensures they won't switch to the computer unexpectedly. For additional control, consider using third-party apps like Bluetooth Manager Pro version 4.2 from 2026, which provides more advanced management options for Bluetooth connections. Outdated firmware and operating systems can cause connectivity issues with AirPods switching between devices. First, update your devices. Ensure iOS, Android, or Windows devices have the latest operating system. For example, iOS 19.3 includes smart handoff enhancements that reduce unwanted switching. Next, update AirPods firmware. These updates often include bug fixes and improved connectivity features like firmware 6B127 for better switching control. To update, keep your AirPods in their charging case and place them near your iPhone. After updating, you'll notice improved connectivity. Watch how the signal strength improves from poor to strong. As we look to the future, several exciting developments promise to make AirPods even more reliable and user-friendly. First, AI-enhanced connectivity is on the horizon. Future AirPods firmware will incorporate neural networks that better understand user intent, learning from your behavior to minimize unintended device switches. Next, the upcoming Bluetooth LE Audio 2.0 standard, expected in 2027, will enable seamless switching across different brands and operating systems, not just Apple devices. Finally, with growing privacy concerns, future updates will emphasize user consent. Devices will only switch with your explicit permission, giving you full control over your AirPods connections. These future trends promise a much improved experience, combining AI intelligence with open standards and privacy-first design.